Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. You already seasoned that? You did?
Yes, I put Lipton onion soup mix in here. 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix.
You didn't put nothing else in there, no salt in there?
That usually is enough for the flavor. See, for me.
Okay.
That's how I do my thing.
Okay. Okay, so with her hamburger, she only added the Lipton's onion soup mix, 1 pack to that. And basically, that was the only seasoning that she added to this dish. I'm telling you, y'all, this is a good recipe. So now what she's doing is taking 1-pound boxes. That's 2 1-pound boxes of lasagna noodles. And she's boiling these down. And this is for a family, y'all, okay? So this is definitely a lasagna recipe built for a family. So she's using a colander to drain the grease from the hamburgers, and now she's going to add it to a pot. And with that, she's going to also toss in the sauce that she's using to make this here family style lasagna. All right. And like I said in the beginning, y'all, this is definitely a easy follow through recipe. All right, she's using 4 jars of this here sauce, y'all, and the name of this sauce is called Ragu Super Chunky Mushroom Sauce. All right, so like we said, this is for a family, and we got a family, y'all. So we need all of these jars, but it's good, trust me.
Okay, first I start off by layering the bottom of the pan with the meat sauce. Then I start layering my pan with the noodles. Okay, then after that, it's the meat sauce again for the next layer. After that, I start my mozzarella cheese. They like it cheesy, so I use a lot of cheese. And then I'm just going to start the process over again after this.
This right here is definitely one of the easiest recipes you can ever do. Sheree, man, you did your thing with this one. You rocked it, baby.
Well, thank you. Thank you. I love making it for the family. It's really, really simple and it's delicious.
This is definitely a low sodium recipe. I'm telling you, y'all, very low in sodium. So now she's topping off with some pepperoni, okay? But you could definitely use your choice. If you don't like any type of pork pepperoni or whatever the case may be, you could opt out and use either beef or you could use turkey. No matter what you use or your preference, it'll still be good for this here lasagna. And I'm telling you right now, y'all, you've got to try it. You've got to try it. Your family will love it. It is definitely cheesy and tasty. Now we're about to top this baby off with some of this Tone's Italian seasoning. And I'm telling you right now, this is going to give it a little bit more flavor and it's definitely going to make it look good. This is what I want you guys to do. Leave in the comment below your lasagna recipe. I want to try your recipe for a lasagna. Yes, indeed. And if I create your recipe, I want to give you a shout out as well. All right. So do me a favor, leave your recipe in the comment section or hit me up on social media, whether it be Instagram or even Facebook. Just say, type in the hashtag RayMackStyle. So now we are tossing this in the oven and we're putting it at 375 degrees. And once we've got the oven preheated, slide that baby in the oven. Now once it's done, we want to wait till that cheese brown on top and we're going to pull it out, and this is what we've got, y'all. We've got a beautiful looking lasagna. As we said in the beginning, there's not a lot of salt to this dish, so definitely it is healthy. Yes, that pepperoni does have some salt, so it helps balance out, so it's not going to be over salty or whatever the case may be. Your family would love this, y'all, and I'm telling you, we feeding armies around here. So this is why we've cooked a big deep pan just like this, and it's so cheesy. Look at that cheese. Ooh, it looks so good, y'all. And I'm telling you right now, my wife laid her hands on this baby right here, y'all. It's good, it's good, it's good. So thank y'all so much for watching this here video, y'all. I really do appreciate y'all, and I hope y'all give this a try. Trust and believe me, it's good indeed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you could, watch these videos as well. If you want to become a RayMack's family member, all you have to do is click on my picture. Once you do that, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.